Hello everyone, this is the recording for week 1. I just wanted to go over the technology program late policy. I know I sent it in an email and it was in the announcement for week 1. Just to let you know that you have a 7-day grace period that you can be late for homework. Any late work that's turned in the 7 days will be graded with a 20% late penalty. Any work received after the 7-day grace period will receive a 0. Discussion posts are directly connected to your attendance records and cannot be turned in late. The week 1 discussion, the topic is what are some best approaches to the collection of data when designing a system. You're to post the initial discussion response of at least 100 words by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. You're to post 3 responses to other learners due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Make sure your initial response includes a minimum of at least 1 reference in APA format. I did want to go over APA format so you know so you'll know what I expect. So for an ebook, it's author, data publication, title, version retrieved from URL. And I have given you the citation for our book, and the in-text citation is the author's last name, the year, and of course if you have a direct quote, it's the page number. And the author is listed as last name, and then only the first initial, middle initial if one is provided. Print books are author, date of publication, title, edition if other than the first, place of publication, and which means city and state, and the publisher. If you have a web article with an author listed, you would have the author, then date of publication, sorry, I don't know what that was, but if no date is given for when it was published, you use ND. The title, then the retrieved on URL, and the in-text is author's last name, year, or ND. The web article with no author listed, you start with the title of the page. Now when I say title of the page, I mean the title of the article, not the site title. So if you go to Microsoft and you get an article there, you use the title of the article, not Microsoft. Then the date of publication, or ND. In this instance, you give the retrieved on date from, that means the day you saw the information, and then the URL. In-text citation is title, year, or ND. Now if the title's long, you can shorten it. The week 1 assignment, you're to download and extract the starter files for the fictitious site John Boyd Technical Solutions, and you're to open the index in Notepad. I like to use Notepad++, so I gave you the download for it makes it nicer because you can see the different colors. You're to add the valid links, which means where it has BB, CC, DD, EE, those are the ones you're replacing. And then you're going to add the images. So also in the images it has BB, CC, you're going to correct those. You're going to save your changes and check and make sure that it works. So these links here, you want to make sure they work in the images. Zip the entire program and submit the zip file. Remember, if you right click on the folder that has everything, you can just zip that folder. To study for the quiz, it's these key terms that are listed for week 1, except for the last one. And this Human-Computer Interaction and Information Management Coordinating Group takes care of the PCA, coordinates. But the others are listed in the glossary, so look up each term and study them and you'll be ready for the quiz. And that's really short, I know, but that's all I have for this week. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You'll find my contact information in faculty info. Thank you.